Folks, when you take your car in for a tune-up, it stays pretty healthy and keeps you on the road. So it stands to good reason that you should take yourself in for a regular tune-up, and you can do that in the coming days. President and CEO Jim Milanowski is here from Genesee Health Plan to talk about a big healthcare event that's coming up here in the next week. Jim, thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
I think this is a great idea, and that comparison we were talking is the right one to make.
Absolutely, because sometimes we take better care of our cars than we do ourselves.
Oh, absolutely, I know.
And especially, you know, and so what we really wanted to do was to have an event where you could get screenings in all kinds of different areas and help and assistance and have it in one place. So it's almost like going to that tune-up shop or that oil change place, looking at the menu board and see what might appeal to you.
Okay, so we're talking sort of not only general health, but you're doing some specific things like dental screenings, vision screenings.
Yeah, so we've been doing this now for 11 years, and we used to just have people drive into our garage bays. We have 3 garage bays there at the health plan, and they just drive in and get a flu shot, or in the last few years, a COVID shot. So, but we've expanded it a lot more than that. So yes, we have Delta Dentals coming with their huge bus that they do screenings in, and so they can help people with oral health screenings. Because a lot of times people are neglecting their teeth and are afraid to go to the dentist, and so this gives them a nice, safe, convenient place to have that screening. We also do a number of other screenings, like for women, for instance, and so we do their A1Cs, blood pressures, and if they participate in that, they get a free lunchbox that's just for them for participating in that. The health department's going to be there, and they're going to do STI, or sexually transmitted disease testing. And a lot of times we're walking around and we don't even know we have a STD, and so it's a good place to go. And if for folks who complete that testing, they get a free pizza slice.
Oh, wow.
And then we also have vision education from St. Luke's. They're a partner of ours here in the Flint community, and they have a whole program of vision services, and so they'll explain that to people, probably do a very quick screening with people. But that's another area where people neglect their vision and sight, and so they'll be there also to help with that.
Nobody wants to admit that they might need bifocals.
Absolutely.
Another important aspect of this event that's coming up too is that you're going to do some naloxone training.
Yeah, we have the Genesee Community Health Center. They bring their unit to our parking lot, and they do that training with people. They do a short training with people on how to administer that, and then give them a little bit of a kit. So we never know if we're going to be in a situation either with a family friend, a loved one, out in public, where that could come really in handy. You have just minutes to save someone's life.
And we have seen how that can save a life.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
so it's a great training. Our staff goes through it, and they just go right there at the unit, and they'll do it right there for them.
Sounds good. So a reminder here again, this is coming up on Thursday, September 25th, from 3 to 6 in the afternoon. The location is 2171 South Linden Road, right there in Flint. And if you want more information, folks, you can give the phone number you see on screen a call, 844-232-7740, or you can simply go online and visit the GeneseeHealthPlan.org website. Jim Milanowski, thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate it. A lot of important information there. Great service available to everyone in the community.
Very good. Thank you.